Hello again, welcome to part 4. In this video, I will be showing you the PySpark processor that I used. This simple processor sorts the data in ascending calendar order. By default, the scrapper mixed some data as we moved from week to week, since it was working backwards, so in this part we will correct this. As you guys can see here, we have our Spark processor. The code is fairly simple, nothing too complicated here. Our data is straightforward and manageable, so I kept the code lightweight, nothing to stress about. Then we have our YAML file, Docker file, and requirements file. The files used in every pipeline step is kinda similar, I'm sure you guys can see that. Next we will head over to Docker to view this container. As you guys can see here in the logs, our container has already processed our data. We see various kinds of logs, file size, the top 5 rows after processing, columns and etc. And if you were paying attention you would see that one of the logs say, converting to pandas data frame. Yes, you read it correctly, after arranging we used pandas to save this file. PySpark method of saving requires us to specify partitions when saving, as Spark is a distributed framework. It is not suitable for single file operations. So basically it was overkill here. But it helped to familiarize yourself with various tools, just to get a feel of how they work. If I had used something like Databricks, that would be like using a grinder to cut an apple, yeah, functional but not practical. In one of my upcoming projects, I will be using bigger and more powerful tools, so please be on the lookout for that. Okay guys, this concludes the end of part 4. See you in the next.